Valentine's Day is almost here as in, tomorrow, and if you're reading this because you're still searching for a gift, we just have one question. Why are you like this? We forgive you, though you may have been super busy waiting for free shipping, or maybe you were waiting to see if the other person gets you a gift so you don't look stupid. But don't worry, you're not completely screwed. There are still tons of deals on gift items like AncestryDNA kits or 48-piece boxes of Ferrero Rocher hazelnut chocolates with free one-day shipping on Amazon to make sure it's here for the big day. See also, which DNA test kit should you get? This guide can help. If you and your boo aren't exchanging gifts on the actual day, you still have some time to snag a gift with free 2-day shipping. The Samsung Gear S3 smartwatch, Amazon Echo Show, and Amazon Echo Spot are all up for grabs on Amazon Prime and would make insanely useful gifts. If you are exchanging gifts tomorrow and you know you're going to have to give a late gift, soften the blow of forgetting the romantic holiday by throwing in a Dell or Amazon gift card with your present, which come free with purchase of a smart TV or Huawei smartphone. Because how can they complain when they're getting 2 gifts in one? Check out our featured deals below, or head over to Tech Bargains for more of today's best tech deals. Hurry, some of these deals are today only. If you aren't an Amazon Prime member and desperately need that fast shipping, sign up here. Featured deals: Dell XPS 13 8th Gen Intel Core i7-8550U Quad-Core 13.3 1080p Ultra-Thin Laptop with 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD for $999.99 at Dell. List price $1,299.99. Dell XPS 8910 Intel Core i7 6700 Quad-Core Win 10 Pro Desktop with 16GB RAM, 2GB AMD GPU for $669.99 at Dell. Use code XPS 669. List price $1,129.99. Dell Inspiron 15 5000 Core i5 7200U 15.6 Win 10 Pro laptop for $399.99 at Dell. Use code INS 399. List price $709.99. Huawei Mate 10 Pro 128GB unlocked smartphone pre-order $150. Amazon gift card $799.99 at Amazon. List price $949.99. AncestryDNA genetic testing DNA ancestry test kit with free 1-day Prime shipping for $69 at Amazon. List price $99. Samsung Gear S3 Frontier smartwatch with built-in GPS for $269.99 at Amazon. List price $349.99. Micron 2TB SATA 6GB per second 2.5 internal solid-state drive for $384.99 at Amazon. Seagate Backup Plus Hub 6TB USB 3.0 external hard drive for $114.99 at Amazon. List price $199.99. Samsung Evo Select 128GB micro SDXC card with adapter and free 1-day Prime shipping for $39.99 at Amazon. List price $44.99. HOLSEM1500W 3.4 quad 6-in-1 air fryer with LED display for $64.49 at Amazon. Use code AXJ3ILF. List price $128.89. DENKERQ 5800 by 480 1500 lumens LED HDMI mini projector for $34.99 at Amazon. Use code SV2ZDJND. List price $69.99. Logitech Anywhere MX wireless laser mouse for $29.99 at Dell. List price $59.99. More of the best deals from Tech Bargains. Free 1-day Prime shipping deals for Valentine's Day: Ferrero Rocher hazelnut chocolates 48 pieces with free 1-day Prime shipping on orders over $35 for $14.11 at Amazon. List price $24. AncestryDNA genetic testing DNA ancestry test kit for $69 at Amazon. List price $99. Amazon Echo Show 7 touchscreen with Alexa for $179.99 at Amazon. List price $229.99. $114.99. Amazon Echo Spot 2.5 touchscreen with Alexa for $114.99 at Amazon. List price $129.99. Amazon Fire 7 8GB 7 Wi-Fi tablet with Alexa and special offers for $39.99 at Amazon. List price $49.99. Amazon Kindle Paperwhite 6 Wi-Fi reader for $99.99 at Amazon. List price $119.99. Google Wi-Fi C1200 Mesh Router System 3-pack for $259 at Amazon. List price $299. Prime exclusive LG G6 128GB quad-core 5.7 2560 by 1440 unlocked smartphone for $469.99 at Amazon. List price $799.99. Samsung 960 EVO 500GB M.2 solid-state drive 3.2 GB per second for $225.10 at Amazon. List price $249.99. Samsung EVO Select 128GB micro SDXC card with adapter for $39.99 at Amazon. List price $44.99. Strocon Hack Mini quadcopter drone with 720p HD camera for $19.99 at Amazon. Use code CHZ5CSXM. List price $89.99. Find more deals in time for Valentine's Day here. Laptop and desktop computers. Alienware Aurora Intel Core i5 8400 6-core gaming desktop. Select 8GB GTX 1080 GPU for $1,126.99 at Dell. List price $1,399.99. Alienware Aurora Intel Core i7 8700 6-core gaming desktop with 8GB GTX 1070 GPU for $1,349.99 at Dell. List price $1,649.99. Dell Inspiron 15700 Intel i7 6700HQ Quad 15.6 4K touch gaming laptop with 16GB RAM. GTX 960M for $829.99 at Dell. Use code 500FF699. List price $1,299.99. Dell Precision 15700 Intel i7 6820HQ quad-core 15.6 1080p IPS workstation laptop with 16GB RAM, 2GB NVIDIA Quadro for $1,129 at Dell. List price $2,281.71. Dell Latitude 15300 Intel i5 7200U 15.6 Win 10 Pro business laptop for $579 at Dell. List price $970. Dell PowerEdge T130 Intel Celeron G390 dual-core tower server 4GB 500GB for $180.55 at Dell. Use code SERVER250. List price $720. Dell UltraSharp U3 for $15W34 curved 3440 by 1440 IPS monitor for $599.99 at Dell. List price $999.99. Dell XPS 13 8th Gen Intel Core i7 8550U quad-core 13.3 1080p ultra-thin laptop with 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD for $999.99 at Dell. List price $1,299.99. Dell XPS 8910 Intel Core i7 6700 quad-core Win 10 Pro desktop with 16GB RAM, 2GB AMD GPU for $669.99 at Dell. Use code XPS 669. List price $1,129.99. Dell Inspiron 15000 Core i5 7200U 15.6 Win 10 Pro laptop for $399.99 at Dell. Use code INS 399. List price $709.99. More laptops and desktop PC deals here. HD TVs and home entertainment 65 Sony XBR65X850E 4K HDR 120Hz native LED Android Smart HD TV $250 Dell gift card for $1,199.99 at Dell list price $1,799.99 65 Samsung UN65MU6500 curved 4K Ultra Smart LED HD TV $350 Dell gift card for $999.99 at Dell list price $1,499.99 65 Vizio D65EO 4K UHD Smart HD TV $250 Dell gift card for $799.99 at Dell list price $899.99 60 LG 60UJ7700 4K HDR Smart HD TV $250 Dell gift card for $997 at Dell list price $1,597 43 LG 43UJ6300 4K HDR Smart LED HD TV $100 Dell gift card for $299.99 at Dell list price $549.99 Epson Home Cinema 3110 1080p 3 LCD home theater projector for $999.99 at Amazon list price $1,299.99 DENKERQ5800 by 480 1500 lumens LED HDMI mini projector for $34.99 at Amazon use code SV2ZDJND list price $69.99 Nintendo Joy-Con Switch controller in gray for $68.96 at Amazon list price $79.99 More TV deals here. Electronics and components Beats X earphones wireless headphones for $119.99 at Verizon list price $149.99 Beats Solo 3 wireless on-ear headphones for $239.99 at Verizon list price $299.99 Powerbeats 3 wireless earphones for $159.99 at Verizon list price $199.99 Honor 7X 32GB dual camera GSM unlocked smartphone for $199.99 at Amazon. All new Amazon Fire HD 1032GB 10.1 1080p Wi-Fi tablet with special offers for $119.99 at Amazon list price $149.99 8-man 12MP 1080p game and trail camera with 2.4 LCD for $29.99 at Amazon use code JHMKQKZ3 list price $49.99 Huawei Mate 10 Pro 128GB unlocked smartphone pre-order $150 Amazon gift card for $799.99 at Amazon list price $949.99 Samsung Gear S3 Frontier smartwatch with built-in GPS for $269.99 at Amazon list price $349.99 Micron 2TB SATA 6GB per second 2.5 internal solid-state drive for $384.99 at Amazon. Seagate Backup Plus Hub 6TB USB 3.0 external hard drive for $114.99 at Amazon list price $199.99 Logitech Anywhere MX wireless laser mouse for $29.99 at Dell list price $59.99 More electronics and tech deals here. Tools and home improvement, kitchen gadgets, and more today only. Casper Sleep Memory Foam Mattress Queen for $796 at Amazon list price $995 today only. Avalon Premium 5-liter ultrasonic digital humidifier for $89.99 at Amazon list price $199.23 and Me Discover DNA Test Health Ancestry Personal Genetics Service for $149 at Amazon list price $199. $100. Power Block Sports 24 adjustable dumbbells set 3 to 24 pounds for $100 at Amazon. List price $141.68. TurboTax Deluxe 2017 state and federal file tax software bonus Quicken Starter for $39.86 at Amazon. List price $59.99. Yellow Jacket 12/3 15 amp SJTW contractor extension cord for $29.99 at Amazon. List price $42.98. HOLSEM1500W 3.4 quad 6-in-1 air fryer with LED display for $64.49 at Amazon. Use code AXJ3ILF. List price $128.89. For more great deals, go to Tech Bargains.